everyone have an idea of the first thing you might do to solve this equation? All right, so yes, we can subtract 37 from both sides of the equation. Okay, what would be the next thing that we do? What do you guys think?
Isn't that negative 37?
Oh, yes, you're absolutely right, Nahia. Thank you for correcting that. What can we do next? Or what should we do next? If we're going to solve by completing the square, what has to happen next? I'm looking at the chat as well. Make it into a square. Allison, how do I make it into a square? I'm going to add 100. How did Allison know that I needed to add 100?
Negative 20 and 100, and then, whatever. Never
because you're separating the 20x into tens, so that little, like, parking area thing is going to be 100.
That's right, Nahia. So we're going to have negative 10x.
Yeah, I know I'm right.
And negative 10x. So that means that this area will be 100. In order to complete the square, we're going to need to add 100. So the next thing we're going to do is rewrite our trinomial as the square of a binomial.
Mm-hmm.
So that's going to be what? Does anyone know?
X minus 10.
That's right, x minus 10. You can see that here, x minus 10 by x minus 10 in our model. And what's 100 minus 37?
100 minus 37? 63.
63?
Yeah, 63. Isn't it?
Mm-hmm. So what should we do next?
Square root, both sides.
Okay. So I get x minus 10 equals, who knows what it's equal to?
I don't know. Wait. 7.94.
What do you guys think about that? Should we be writing a decimal at this point? The square root of 63,
no,
Jason,
right? No, x minus 10 is the square root of 63.
Plus or minus
this.
So now we're going to have two equations. So you guys should be writing it like this. X minus 10 equals the square root of 63, and x minus 10 equals the negative square root of 63. So x equals square root of 63 plus 10. X equals negative square root of 63 plus 10.